5 things that I'm going to do for a day on the water. Hydrate with a gel. So this is Aesop B-triple-C facial balancing gel. The smell is so beautiful. It's like honey, like it's quite viscous, tacky, but once it hits the skin, it just hydrates beautifully and sinks in. I don't know, it's such an interesting formulation. Then I'm following with a sunscreen. I'm not allowed to tell you what I wear, but this one is a good one. Pink Elephant b-goldi Bright Drops. Last night, a tan with Australian Glow in dark. For my face, I added a few drops of the Australian Glow self-tan drops into my skincare. So I was using Synergy Skin Vitamin B. I put about 6 drops in here, and look at that result. This is in Cosmetics by my under eye. Tubing mascara. Home Beauty. I'm just going to put a bit of bronzer on my eyelids. Just Chanel the beige. And for lips, Ultraviolet. SPF 50 in Choc Top.